How to create circle picture in PowerPoint. So for that you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. First of all, you have to navigate to the insert option. So once you are on your insert option here all you have to just go for the picture. And once you are on your picture, you have to just go and insert your picture from your device. After writing your picture from your PC, here you have to just go and go for your format. Just go for your picture format. Once you are on your picture format, here you have to just go and tab on this. Once you are here, you will find the different shape. Just go and have your desired shape here like this. So you can also find the circle shape. So that's it, how you can create your circle picture in your PowerPoint like this. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.